In 2026, as a business person, you need to use AI in automating your workflow and simplifying your business and saving yourself the money and the time. So many business people are losing clients every single day because they have not used these AI tools that I'm about to share with you. When it comes to AI, it will simplify the work for you. It will make work easier. It will save you a lot of money, and you can be able to build a workflow that can be automated without you having to be there every single time. This means you can literally be sleeping and everything is happening without you even being there to show up. So I am an AI automation virtual assistant. I help business people in automating things like onboarding. You can book my services. I can be able to create for you an onboarding process system that allows you to be able to collect data, to collect email list, and to be able to build your email list. Let's get started. When it comes to AI automation for small business people, there are so many things that business people definitely need to automate in their business, but I'm going to give you 5 of the AI tools that so many small business people do not and cannot afford not to be using in 2026. The first one on the list, like you always know, it's ChatGPT. If you are not using ChatGPT to simplify work for you as a business person, then you are missing out on a lot, because ChatGPT will help you in creating emails. It will help you in coming up with ideas. It will help you in coming up with information and simplify things for you literally in a snap of a finger. So many business people are venturing into content. They need to create content for their business to go, and when it comes to ideation, it comes to coming up with the scripts and everything, ChatGPT is the way to go. You don't have to overthink it. Just use it. Give it a prompt that it can be able to create a good script for you. It can be able to create a good content idea or whatever it is that you are looking to create, and you are good to go. So definitely you do not want to play around with ChatGPT. There are so many things that I have used ChatGPT in my business as an AI automation virtual assistant, and I have seen the results. And if you are a business owner and you want to be able to grow your business, you want to be able to build, you want to be able to get more leads, get more clients, and literally doing this without having to be there responding to them every single time, you can book my services. I can be able to create for you an onboarding process system that allows you to be able to collect data, to collect email list, and to be able to build your email list. I can be able to also help you in content marketing, whereby I'll do the video editing for you. I'll be able to repurpose your content and schedule your content without you having to even touch anything. So this is something that you are interested in. You definitely want to check out my services. The link to booking my services is down here below. The second AI tool that you cannot afford to miss in 2026 is Zapier.com. Zapier is an integration system that allows you to be able to integrate as many apps as possible that will be able to collect the data for you, and it can be able to respond automatically for you. So let me say a good example is when you connect, you integrate your WhatsApp with your Google Sheet, or you can be able to integrate your Google Sheet with your Gmail, so that it can be able to just email copies directly from the Google Sheet information that you have given it. So this is something that is really simplifying and making work easier for business people, especially when it comes to automating things like you want to be able to get things like customer feedbacks, you want to be able to respond to them, you want to be able to acquire information and details that you can be able to use in future about your customers. Zapier is the way to go. And if you're a business person who is struggling with this, like I said, you can get my services. I can create a system for you that can work for you literally in a snap of a finger. The other one is email platforms. when it comes to collecting emails, when it comes to building your email list, you definitely want to be able to understand email platforms and how they can be able to simplify for you. Email platforms like ConvertKit, email platforms like Brevo, Flowdesk, these are platforms that will simplify and make your marketing be easier, especially when it comes to you creating an email sequence. Either you are onboarding a client, you want to be able to send them a welcome email, you want to be able to send them an abandoned cart email, or all these other kind of emails that you want to send. It is the way to go. You need to have an email platform that you can be able to grow your email list, that you can be able to start creating email campaigns and sell to people. If this is something that is just giving you wonders and you're wondering what are you talking about, I can help you. You can book my services down here below. The other one is called MiniChat. MiniChat, it's definitely a time saver and a game saver, especially for businesses that are on the online space. When you create a video on the online space and that video goes viral, or you just want people to take an action, or you want people to take an action like responding, so that you can be able to send them your freebie, you can be able to send them an ebook. This is the platform, this is the chat box that you need. MiniChat will help you to be able to respond to as many people as possible without you having to respond to them, to each one of them, because this can be very tiresome, having to text one person at a time. You just need to be able to integrate MiniChat with the platform that you want and the kind of response you want it to respond to them, either by sending them a link, either by sending them a freebie, or whatever it is that you want to send them. And this is something that so many people are taking advantage, because it allows you to grow an email list. It allows you to be able to sell without having to overthink it. So MiniChat is the way to go, especially if you are building a business on the online space and you want to be able to reach to as many people as possible without having to overwork yourself and having to overthink about it. The last one is scheduling platforms. So when it comes to scheduling platforms, I'm talking about things like Buffer, things like Metrical. These are great platforms, especially if you are creating so many content and you just want to be able to schedule and get done with it. You can be able to get started with them. A tool like Buffer, it helps me a lot when I want just to schedule my content for the next 1 week. I don't have to be going there each and every time on TikTok to upload a video, or on YouTube in uploading a video. I just need to be able to schedule that content there and just let Buffer do the thing as I actually do other things. So these are platforms you do not want to miss out, and I'm going to give you a bonus one because I love you guys and I want you guys to be able to grow. It's called Opus Clips. This is an online platform that allows you to be able to bring long form video to short form video. So if you're someone who is creating content, you're a content creator, you're a business person who is promoting your business either through podcast or either through creating YouTube videos, you can be able to create short clips using Opus Clips. So you take the link that you have created and place it on Opus Clips, and then it will come up with up to 30, up to 10, up to 20, depending on how long your video is. It will be able to create for you those short videos, and you can be able to promote it and sell it to TikTok platforms and Instagram and all these other short platforms that you can be able to create videos. So you don't have to be creating long form videos and then overthink about how you can create short videos. You just need to create a long form video and then repurpose it on Opus Clips, and it will give you up to 10 or 20 videos that you can be able to place on these platforms. So I hope as a business person you have learned something, you have acquired you are going to reach out to me if you're struggling with creating systems that can simplify work for you, and you can also get started in using these AI tools to just simplify your work. So if this is something that you like, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, and comment down here below what kind of AI tool that you're going to use in your business to make work easier for you. Till next time, bye bye. See you on my next video.